Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then you need to install this completely free app from this developer and open it. After that, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. So sorry, misclick. Again, now you need to choose I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper, then click on Apply at the bottom right corner and choose Only Home Screen by tapping on Set, or tap on Set on Lock Screen and click on Set after that to apply it on both screens. Now when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!